Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to hook up and install your Epson printer. Now when it first comes out of the box, there are a couple pieces of blue tape on it that you're going to want to take off. There's going to be some in the front, on the sides, and then up in the middle, which you can access by lifting up this section right here. And then on the inside you just want to remove it, and then ready for the next part. So on the right side of the printer is going to be your tank cartridges. So this is where you fill up all your ink. You got black, blue, pink, and yellow. To insert the ink, you lift up the cap and take your bottle, pour in the ink, close it up, simple as that. Once you've finished all the colors, you can go ahead and close this hatch again, and we can turn it back around. Alright, so now you're ready to plug it in. The plug looks like this. It's your standard outlet, and then it's got a little adapter on the side here. You want to turn this around, and right in the back there's a little place you can lift this screen up, and you can just stick the plug in right there. Alright, now let's plug it in. Okay, now that we got power to it, you're going to press the power button, which is this one right here next to the home button. Now, once your printer turns on, it's going to take a few minutes. If this is the first time that you've actually turned it on, it has to install some update in order for it to work correctly. As your printer is updating, it'll have a little screen right here saying updating, do not turn off power. So you just want to let it sit there until it finishes. Once your printer is finished installing, then it'll bring you back to the main menu. From here, you can use the keypad and go over to the Wi-Fi setup. Click on Wi-Fi setup, and the first option says Wi-Fi recommended. You want to hit OK on that. OK, proceed. Alright, now it's searching for Wi-Fi networks, and you're going to want to find your own Wi-Fi and connect it to that. So all you have to do is go down, find your Wi-Fi. Alright, here we go. Click on it, and it'll say setup. If you have a lock on your Wi-Fi, it'll ask you to enter your code. That's a simple little combination you do with here. If it's an open network, then you can just connect to it immediately, and you should be good to go.